morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the Eurodollar, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The Euro-dollar pair has lost 1.1% in the last session. The CCI is strengthening and is now giving a positive signal. Alibaba's stock has lost 2.9% in the last two sessions. Stochastic has shifted sharply into oversold territory. The sterling-dollar pair has lost 1.4% in the last session. The CCI has lost steam and is currently neutral. The Aussie-dollar pair has fallen 1.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator plunged into the negative area.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
The crypto market has fallen yet another 8% as the US dollar regains its strength. Wall Street's main indexes tumbled as investors dumped the high-flying technology sector, while economic data highlighted concerns about a long and difficult recovery. The British pound has dropped significantly amid comments from the BOE, stating that the UK recovery could take years.
Thank you for this. Now coming up, today's major economic events.
The Japanese GDP will be released on Monday at 2150 GMT. The Eurozone's employment change Tuesday at 700 GMT. The Swiss unemployment rate Wednesday at 345 GMT. The Canadian BOC interest rate decision Wednesday at 1200 GMT. The Eurozone's ECB interest rate decision Thursday at 9:45 GMT, and the US CPI Friday at 10:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.